the chamber. We got the fun and the love that you're looking for. The chamber. Be a part of my family. A new addition you will be. Meet the chamber.
On our way to get something to eat. Are y'all excited about getting something to eat? You are? Okay.
Oh yeah, Joya asked me, when we leave here, can we get something to eat before we go home?
Yeah. So that's what we're doing. We're on our way to get something to eat. You're excited?
Yeah.
Me too, a little bit. Simba's excited too. Simba's going with us.
Simba, you want something to eat too?
He's excited about getting something to eat.
Simba said he ready to get out of this car. He don't like long car rides no more.
Right. So we're on a long car ride to go get something to eat, all right? Huh? Down here? Straight ahead. To the left. Get on the trail. Get on the walking trail. Oh, you get up there. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. What do you see here, Joy?
Down there.
What do you see here? Simba here.
Oh, hey, darling. Oh, you look just like Luna. Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So Luna, that is.
That's her mom. There's Luna right there. Picture of Luna.
That's Luna.
That's Simba. You know, see?
That's Simba's mom.
We're like, no. God, oh, you're the one who like her.
Yes.
Okay. It just dawned on me.
Yes.
You are pretty. You look just like her, don't she?
She does.
She looks like Celeste in the face. Her face looks like Celeste. Hello.
What is?
You're gonna be good. I know they're happy. They love you.
Oh, Daddy!
Which one was the girl?
No, I really like her because she's been my favorite since she came out. She's a little spoiled. Just snuggle on her. Yeah, you gotta watch them, they will bite you. Their little teeth will just get you. They don't mean to, they're
This
just
one's
fighting.
just licking me.
What are all these? This the boy?
No, these are girls.
All the girls? All
Yeah,
right.
these are girls. Somebody just got that when they went to
Okay. And what do you call the colors? What is this color
Okay,
called?
that's a party.
Party?
Yeah,
Okay.
and these right here now,
Is that the mom?
no, that's the daddy. That's Cooper right there. That's the daddy. Now the mama's a black girl, right? She saw it, but she's got one little white thing on her paw. Let's see. Just to get it right, I'm going a liver. Hey, the brown ones are livers.
Livers, okay.
Yeah, the brown ones are livers.
This one's so sweet.
And the black ones are called. I'll ask Bobby just to make sure.
This one's trying to eat your finger.
The black and white ones, or the brown and white ones are parties.
Don't you dare scratch
Oh,
me.
look at you. You are so.
What is it, baby?
Hey, Bobby. What are their colors called? Like this one right here, the silver and Black and silver. Okay.
Party one sold.
Like my hair.
Right, the party one sold.
And
This one, mommy, he's making my hair.
This one looks just like that one. It's just smaller. Oh, look at them. Oh, look, you are so pretty.
Zuri.
Zuri?
Yeah.
That's one of my classmates.
Hey, well, you so nervous, huh? Where you got to wear that? It's okay.
Wait,
twice as
what?
thick.
Mommy, can I?
Need to go after them.
They best.
Best.
They
She's real calm.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Oh, yeah, they're calm. Yeah, she'll be calm when you hold her down. Put her down. Ooh.
She's everywhere. Okay.
Yes, she is.
Oh my God. You like her?
Hey, y'all,
Take her home?
just give me another minute.
We should take her home.
Yes.
We should.
Yes.
You think Jordan will like her?
We're getting.
Do you think Jordan will like her?
Yeah.
I know, baby girl. You got some kids. Yeah, little girl, you got you some kids.
You don't want her to bite you?
She's sweet.
That's right. She'll wink at you too. If you wink at her, she'll wink back. She's your brother, she's okay? Yeah, you're supposed to see your brother.
And how old is she?
I can tell you when their birthday was. Their birthday was March the 22nd. It better be. Yeah, that's the dance back there. I got a heart attack when y'all said, y'all get door open.
Joy. So, look, come here. What did we say? I said we was going to go on a long trip to go get something to eat. We tricked you.
I mean, we did get something to eat, but...
We did get something to eat, but I thought we were gonna go back home.
So you didn't expect this, did you?
So they didn't know they were getting
They didn't
her
know.
home.
That's the mom.
Okay.
This is my mom. I was trying to say her. She's not really mean. She just is. Y'all got her baby. I know. It's okay. Look, there's one. Let me go home looking at their kids. They gonna love on it. There you go. There you baby bye. There you go. See? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Oh.
That's her. That's my little girl now. This is my baby.
That is Karen's
Look
bed.
over there. Look right there. Did you not see that little white thing over there?
Look, say hey, Simba.
You just now seen him, didn't you? It's okay, girl.
You gonna have something to play with.
Smells her. You want something to get jelly? Okay. Put your seatbelt on. You got Zuri. Hey, Zuri. Hey, Zuri. Hey, good girl. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, Zuri.
We can put her in there. We can go to the mountains.
Bring her to the mountain?
Yeah, I egged up on it.
Yeah. All right. Let's go to the restroom real quick.
So we out shopping for my girl Zuri. We got our bed. We got a crate mat. And we got the crate at the bottom. You know, this is just some little first dibs right now. We'll do some more shopping later, you know, online and take longer. But we're getting her stuff that she needs right now. Cutie.
Okay.
So yeah.
And my baby could go on.
Someone's going in there.
What else we need?
She gave y'all a bow, but I think I want like the, well, I can get that from Amazon. Like the two whole thing. But she did give us a bow in the bag.
Cool.
So
Hey, girl.
we good with the bows.
See? What y'all doing? Hey, girl. Simba.
She's trying to get to Simba. She's trying to
Look,
smell
Simba.
him.
Look. Are we ready? Come on. I know should be that fell out. You excited to be with us?
You trying to be cute? I want to come with you.
That means that's Swahili for beautiful. I told you.
Yeah.
Look, it ain't scary. Look.
So the woman who take care of them, they pay somebody to take care of them. She holds them.
We're at this place.
You got a place.
Like this festival. Hey.
Say hey to Joy.
Hey, Joy and Justin.
Hi.
What is that?
Nothing.
Huh?
Is that a dog?
Yeah.
What?
Is that a dog?
No. It's
Is that a
not.
dog?
What? What? What?
Is that a dog?
What are you talking about?
What is it?
What are you talking about?
What is that?
What are you talking about?
I can barely see it because it's glitchy.
Your signals are messed up.
No, let me see it.
Let you see what?
Are you about to cry?
Okay, fine. It's a dog. It's a dog.
Meet Zuri.
Siri?
Yep.
Zuri.
It's a dog.
It means
What
beautiful.
type of dog is it?
It's a schnauzer.
Pick her up, Joya.
Oh my god! We got a new dog! You're already planning on getting it? Or like...
Kind of just.
It kind of fell in our lap. But yeah, we've been wanting another dog.
Baby dog.
Have Simba seen him yet?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl!
Baby? Yeah.
Hey!
And she looking. Jordan, you better watch the-
Hold on. Did y'all take any pictures with it?
I'll send you a picture.
Or of it?
Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah, send me some pictures.
Mama. I'm a baby. I'm a baby. I'm a
Here
baby.
go, Daddy.
I have it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right. I was just showing you. I didn't want to. I was gonna keep it a secret for you.
You should have, because now I want to go there.
I know, but I didn't want to. Cause I'm pretty sure they was gonna call you and tell you anyway.
I was asking you if you didn't want me to come. Sorry.
Mama, where we going?
That is.
Okay, let me not make them
So they about to see you.
Oh my god.
I want to see. I want to see how they gonna act.
Oh, that's what Justin was saying. The dog go do. Oh my god, that is so good.
Okay, I'll call you back later.
Oh, he's burning.
I got to charge my phone.
Oh, she's precious.
Yep.
I know. Hey, Janai.
No, that's on the same.
Hey, uh-oh.
Slow down to it, too.
Move, Justin.
Move, I want to see what.
You got an extra cord.
She looking.
You got this iPhone now.
That's your brother.
It's at home.
So you bring it back.
She might.
See, there's too much going on now.
Oh, look at, she got a grape on. You got a boy.
Boy.
Hey.
Maybe you should bring her.
What's the name? His name.
Hey, Granny. You got this puppy dog?
Bentley.
Zuri.
Oh, what's your brother?
Bentley and Zuri. Oh, she's got the little
Justin.
bandana thing on.
Pick the toy up, Justin.
See, they know each other.
You're a little bit taller. Y'all was in the same room. Yeah. Y'all back together again. Stop. Pull on that.
Is that normal?
3 days ago.
3-4 days ago.
Y'all back
Oh,
together.
they were
again.
together Wednesday. Or was it Tuesday? Tuesday.
They smell each other. They know each other.
Oh. Hey.
Are they? They're brother and sister.
Hey. Look. Oh. Hey. Oh.
They trying to lay against each other.
Hey.
Lay against each other. lay against one another.
Y'all back together. Oh.
Back together again.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Bentley. Come here, Bentley. Come here. Come here, Bentley.
Oh.
Bentley. Come here, Bentley. Come here, Bentley.
Josh, look at Bentley. He went to Granny and laid inside her.
Look. Ain't trying to bite her. Look. Look.
Good boy. Good boy, Bentley. Good boy.
Bentley.
We made it home, and the kids knocked out, and she sleep too, Jordan. I can't tell if she's asleep or not. But we about to go in the house, let her see the house for the first time. Good night, y'all.
So you knew you wanted her when you saw her? Zuri, this is called a Fire Stick remote. You do not bite on this. This is what we use to watch TV. Okay? This is not a toy. Okay? You don't chew on this. Okay? No toy. Okay? You don't chew on this. Okay? Or that. Okay?
You look your water.
Mr. Tortoise? Like that sound.
Yeah, that's what the person
I'm nibbling on my finger, nibble on toy.
Her teeth don't hurt.
I said don't nibble on me. Hey. There go your blankie. You want to take this thing off?
Yeah, take it. 'Cause
She like that then. Got the neck.
Simba like, what's going on?
She like that. That's when you get down in that ear. There it is. Hey girl. Hey girl. You ready to go sheep? Go sheep. Like a sheep. Who that girl?
So eat. Or you gonna sit down? No, eat. No, eat. No, eat. No, eat. Drink your water, good girl. Good girl. Eat. So this is Simba's first brush. Joey wants to brush every single thing is there. Good girl. Good girl. Go poo poo. Alright, guys.
Hey, girl. Hey, Simba. Simmy.
Meet Zuri. What you think? Oh, Simba said, how dare you ignore him? Get a Simba. He said he happy to see you. Simba, look at how Simba acting, Jordan. He missed Jordan.
She's been my favorite since she came out.
Beneath the chamber, we got the fun and the love that you're looking for. The chamber, be a part